Hi guys, so today we're going to be discussing about Marquee tag. People don't really use it nowadays, but you might have seen scrolling text on most of the institutional websites. It can also be done using other languages, but I am here to tell you the easiest way using HTML. So this is a basic container tag. So if you're wondering what are container tags, they are basically what contains any sort of text, images, etc., and have both opening as well as closing tags. With the help of this tag, we can either scroll a text or image, videos, etc., either from left to right, top to bottom, or vice versa. So now let's quickly have a look at the attributes of the Marquee tag here. So we have scroll amount, behavior, loop, bg color, height, width, direction, v space, and h space. We are going to be using this one by one. So let's go. Marquee tag here, I'm adding 3 statements. I'm Roots, and welcome to my channel and subscribe us. So we'll be adding each attribute one by one here. So I've added 3 statements so that it will be quicker to understand. So here are the 3 statements flowing. So let's add scroll amount. Scroll amount is the, it's just add speed to, so I'm adding 30. So, you the scrollable amount will be more quicker and will be able to understand in the less time. So I'm adding 30, 30, 30. So let's see how, so there's speedy. Yeah. So let's quickly add behavior. We have 3 types of behavior of the scrolling text. So we have 1 scroll, 2 slide, and 3 alternates. Though scroll is the default, we always see text scrolling is the default, as you just saw. So first one is the scroll, second one is the slide, and third one is the alternate, which is not going off screen. So these are the 3 types of behavior, and we need to add loop to the second part because the scroll and the alternate part does not need, they runs forever. And if you want to make the scroll and alternate run few times, like if you want to run scroll and alternate to just 2 times, so just add the loop. So and I'm quickly adding bg color here, bg color to yellow, and second one to the sky blue, and third one to green. So these are different ways you can make the Marquee tag more appealing, Marquee text more appealing. So I'm adding height to 300 and width to 400. So in the third one, I'm adding height to 100 and width to 800. I've just added different heights of the third one, so you can see what height and width attribute does to your Marquee tag. So I'm adding direction attribute here. So there are 4 types of directions: up, down, left, and right. So left is the default, as you were seeing up till now. So we are going to add right, down, and up. So first is the up, the text is flowing upwards, second towards the down, and third one we have put an alternate tag here, alternate attribute here, sorry. So we can't really see that the text is flowing towards the right. Yes, it is flowing towards the right. So to make you understand more better, I'm adding the direction of the third one to the down. I'm adding br, so I can make you you know see it more clear. And height and width to 400. I'm just making it the 3 of them more equal. So what am I going to add further so you can see it more clearly what this the further attribute does. So we are adding v space here. V space is just add vertical spaces, and I'm not going to explain h space because it does the same work as v space. Is just add horizontal spaces towards the left and the right. So here I'm telling you the image part here. So you can also add images to your scrolling text. So I'm just gonna add an image. So the way is very simple. You just have to add the marquee tag here and image src, the image source, and close the tag. So here's the image flowing. So I'm setting the direction of the image to the right and adding the bg color, and yes, scrollable amount. Thank you for watching. If you want this to scroll with your text, so this is what you see. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep supporting for more learning videos.